Hi friends, today's vlog is all about where to eat the best Chinese in Sharjah. So this is one of our favorite Chinese restaurant which is located in Rola, Sharjah. It's Wardat Beijing Chinese restaurant. The location map is given in the description box below. Please have a look on that. So let's see what are the items available and what should we order. So I'm recommending this restaurant to you because when you compare the quantity of food, the quality and the ambience, it's really value for money. And they have combos for 21 and 23, which includes a starter, two curries, one dry and one gravy, and noodles of fried rice with a soft drink. So what we usually order is sweet corn chicken soup, which you should not miss. It's really delicious. This is a starter, which is crispy fried chicken with spinach, and the spinach is also crispy fry and it's nice, but I would rate this as 6 on a scale of 10 because I have eaten a much better version from another restaurant in Dubai. You can order the starter platter, which includes the vegetable, spring rolls, drumstick and dumplings. Then comes the main course items, which are really yummy. The chicken fried rice, chicken noodles, and this is Beijing Chinese fish. This is a must try item here. So hope you all enjoyed this video. One more thing, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Cookeryshow, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel and kindly share with your friends and family. And I would be very happy to hear from you on suggestions on how to improve the channel and the videos. So see you soon in another episode with another video. Till that time, bye bye.